So we are here for the AAA, AA, high A, single A baseball scores for St. June's and 26, Worcester 5-3 Buffalo, Columbus 9 Roma, and Rookie Ball. Columbus 9 Roma, Syracuse 4-3 scores for Norfolk 6-0 Gwinnett. In 11 innings, Rochester 7-6 for the LA. In 10 innings, Memphis 4-3 over Louisville, Nashville 3-1 over Jacksonville, Oklahoma City 7-0 Las Vegas 4-2 Reno, St. Paul 3-0 Indianapolis. Second round 5-3 Tacoma, Charlotte 2-5 Durham, Salt Lake 10-9 Albuquerque, El Paso 7-5 Charlotte, and Toledo, Idaho canceled with inclement weather like thunder in there, thunder, lightning, rain in the area. You weren't in the back to the game as well. Because 8 miles in the United States, the severe thunders rules are 8-mile radius. If there's lightning, struck with 8-mile radius. Some other countries, I think people like non-Americans, they hate our like thunderstorm rules because maybe a little more like safer. Because there's probably some other countries who have like relaxed rules, like it has to be like pretty nearby or like really nearby. 8 miles is pretty good, give time to fans, but like really near, maybe a couple miles, only at best, relax. I'm assuming like other areas like Canada, relax like up in like Europe and that. Anyway, but sport events like soccer events, FIFA World Cup, like other big international events. And we have Binghamton 402 Herbert, Somerset Center, Harrisburg, Chesapeake 402 Akron, Altoona 4 Northern New Hampshire. In the completion of the June 6th game, Hazard wins 9-6 Midland. Northwestern with 1 in the 4th, 5 in the 5th for Midland, 2 in the 5th for Northwestern, 1 in the 7th for Northwestern, 1-8 for Midland, 5 in the 9th. From Northwestern to 9-6, they scored a home run. Minimum. Scored a 3-run home run. That's a 7-4 Burma. 7-4 This year, June 6th game. Tulsa 7-6 Burma. Tulsa 2 in the second. 1 in the second for Emerald. And 2 in the third for Tulsa. 5 in the 5th for Emerald. And 3 in the 9th for Tulsa, and they went 7-6. They play your June 6th game, Montgomery Box. That went the other thing, and Montgomery wins 2-0 for Box. The Children's won, and they come in the other thing. Erie 6-3 Richmond. Chattanooga 10 with Princeton. The second game of the bear. Montgomery 4-1 over Blacks. And mid wins Montgomery Bucks. The second game went 9 innings, as it was. There's just a few innings left. Not many, but enough to make it a 7 inning. Bucks with 1 in the second, and then Montgomery with 3 in the 7th, 1-8, 2-4. Tulsa wins the second game of the first one. That turned to a 7 inning game. But Emerald with 1 in the first. Then Tulsa with 3 in the 3rd, 2 in the 4th, 2 in the 5th to win 7. Arkansas 11 to Corpus Christi in the 7th, and then Springfield sweeps the doubleheader. Or Frisco sweeps the doubleheader over Springfield 6-4. Springfield with 1 in the first. Both teams with 1 in the first, 2 in the second for Springfield, 2 in the 3rd for Frisco, 1 in the 4th for both, 1 in the 5th and 6th for Frisco. And then the second game of the number with 1, it's a 6-4 win again for Frisco. 1 in the 1st for Frisco, 1 in the 3rd for Springfield, 5 in the 6th for Springfield. Or for Frisco, 5 in the 6th for Frisco, and 3 in the 7th for Springfield. In the second game of the doubleheader, the scheduled game for June was canceled between Midland and Northwestern due to rain. And there's cancel means it's not going to be made up. There's no makeup date for this game. It's flat out canceled. Same with Columbus Rocket City. Flat out canceled between those two. Right? Either they don't play each other the rest of the season, Midland Northwestern City, they don't play in Midland the rest of the season, or Columbus Rockets C, they don't play in Columbus again this season. They don't rematch all this season. Or even if they do rematch, they decided we're not going to make it up next time the series is being played. Some do, but it just depends. Brooklyn 5-3 over Jersey, Lansing 13-4 over Brooks, Greensboro 16-14 Asheville, Lake County 3-2 for Ryan, Intendings, Bowling Green 5-4 Owens, West Michigan 8-8, Leipzig 11-8 over Winston, Frederick 16-3 Hudson Bay, Peoria 3-1 over Blight, Hillsborough 14-0 over Spokane, Tracy 6-1 over Vancouver, and Everett 3-2 over Eugene. Or Eugene 3-2 over Everett. My bad. Eugene 3-2 over Everett. And then Greenville Rome, South Bend Quad Cities, Wisconsin Rapids. Either they don't play each other, and in Greenville, South Bend, or Wisconsin, those series those matchups respectively. Maybe they don't. And even if they do, they're not making them up, and they're canceled due to rain. The Sunday games are more likely to get canceled. Maybe the Saturday games are too, because if maybe the Saturday games are too. It's like because they don't want to have a doubleheader on Sundays. Some do, but and then similarly, Dunedin 4-2 over Daytona, Fort Myers Falls Lakeland 5-3, Tampa 3-2-1 over Palm Beach, Clearwater 11-8 over CMC, Jupiter 9-5 over Rainton, Wilson 11-9 over Salem, Fredericksburg 6-8 over Chelsea, Capitalist 5-3 over Rickery, Lamar 4-0 over Augusta, San Jose 5-2 over Inland Bear, Stockton 15 over Ontario, Bisla 9-5 over Chicuca, Charleston 5-4 over Myrtle Beach, Columbia 16-2 over Fayetteville, and Elsinore in 11 7-5 over Fresno. Let's take a look at the standings for the first half so far. For the International League East, in the International League, the leagues as a whole, and they go by playoff standings. And Rochester, the Washington Nationals affiliate, in first with 30-24. Second is Nashville, the Milwaukee Brewers affiliate, 30-25. And then Memphis, 30-25, the St. Louis Cardinals affiliate. In third, fourth, the Columbus, the Cleveland Guardians affiliate. In fourth, Jacksonville, Miami Marlins affiliate. In fifth, 30-28. In sixth, Charlotte, the Chicago White Sox affiliate, 35-28. And seventh is St. Paul, the Minnesota Twins affiliate, 7th, 34-28. So only 4 games separate top teams. Top in the league. Top 7. Okay, and then the Pacific Coast League. It's a smaller league, but we have top 4 or second round. The San Francisco Giants affiliate in first, 37-24. Second, the Las Vegas Athletics affiliate, 38-6-25. And then Oklahoma City, the Los Angeles Dodgers affiliate, 35-27. In third, and fourth, Albuquerque, 34-30. The Colorado Rockies affiliate. And the Eastern League, it's the first half. The Richmond, the Giants affiliate, big over Hartford and Akron. 6.5 games back respectively. The Rockies, Hartford, Connecticut, and Akron, Oregon. The Cleveland Guardians. The Southern League, Montgomery, the Tampa Bay Rays affiliate. In first with 35-25. They're tied with Chattanooga, Cincinnati Reds affiliate, 31-26. Next with Chicago Cubs affiliate, half a game back, 30-26. Milwaukee Brewers affiliate, 20-26, and a game and a half back. In the Texas League, the Dodgers are close to 37-20. They're tied. They're in the lead. Arkansas, the Seattle Mariners affiliate, 35-20. In the middle of the country, there's no West Coast teams or Mountain League teams in Mountain Zone teams in the Triple AA. Then Frisco, the Texas Rangers affiliate in third with 6 games back, 30-25. Then the Midwest League high ball. It's pretty tight. Softball in first with 3-4-18. Second is Great Lakes, the Dodgers affiliate, 33-22. 2 games back. The County, the Cleveland Guardians affiliate, 32-24. Then Wisconsin fourth with 20-24, 5 games back. And with the 30 Cincinnati Reds affiliate, 30-26, 5 games back. In the Northwest League, Eugene, 39-18, 3 games ahead of Tracy, the Angels affiliate. the South Night.